Oh. Asha, you're already in here? You gonna help me rebuild my transmission tonight? Oh, you're so sweet. I know. Great, well, just hang out there. Let me know if you want something to drink or something. You wanna go bike riding or not? Fine, I'll go with Sam. I'll go alone. Hey, Ash, you want a beer? I'll just bring you one anyways. Hey, Ash, I'm gonna just run in and get a coffee. You want one? I'll just take your silence as you don't want one, but I know how you get without coffee, so I'll probably get you one anyways. I got you 4 whites, 2 yellows, and some cream. I hope you enjoy it, okay? Hey, Ashley, can you pass me that 13 wrench? Come on, really? You make me do it? Ugh. Asha, you have to check this out. The Land Cruiser FJ62 just hit 300,000 miles. This is crazy. Check it out. Look, Asha, I got melt. I got it. You ready to have a burger? I thought you liked food. Well, you didn't tell me how you wanted your burger cooked. I just got medium, okay? You guess you'll eat it? Fine. Asha, what do you mean you don't like your burger? Fine. I'll eat it. Gosh, ridiculous, Asha. Man, this is ridiculous. I've been waiting forever. Dang rain. Come on, Asha, let's go. I've been waiting for you forever. No, you're not made of sugar. You're not gonna melt. Come on, let's go. You have your umbrella. Let's go. Jeez, I'm just trying to go. Asha, wait for me. Hold on, slow down. Asha, will you quit messing around all the time? This is ridiculous. Gosh, just trying to go for a bike ride. Oh, there you are, Ash. Oh, you got me some straw golden ale, some dirt farm? Oh, you're too great. Thanks, Ash.